Don't forget to press the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay up to date with all our videos. Okay, so let's take a look how are we going to use CSS in React. So first of all, let me remove this and I'll show you that there are three ways. One is importing a CSS file. Second is creating an object of style. And third could be import CDN. And this CDN could be Bootstrap, Material UI, or Materialize. Okay, so let's start with importing CSS. So as you see that we already have imported, this is how you import it. You don't need to write import this from this, but it's just CSS is going to be imported like this. Okay, so I'll put a class name, and if you don't know, I'll just let you know that you are supposed to use class name and not just class. So outer body. Okay, let's see what do we get here. Why is because I have outer body, which is aligning everything in the center. Great. So class name equals to title and class name equals to subtitle. Okay, title font size is, let's put it 50 pixel. You need to write pixel. Color green. Subtitle, it will be font size 30 pixel. Color gray. Okay, there it is. So the first one is completed. Let's look at the second one. This is simple as well. So font style, and you use the same thing. Outer body, title, we'll just do title to save time. So here we can have display flex, justify content, center. Okay, so as you can see here, we have justify hyphen content, but if you want to write in as an object, you are supposed to use a camel case. Okay, margin top 30 and font size 50. Okay, let it be. And here I'll just have style dot title and style dot outer body. Okay, so perfect. We have the margin, we have color and everything, so which is working great. There, you can even use style sheets. So it is from, I guess it's from React, and maybe it's from React, but we can take a look. React style sheet. Okay. Adding a style sheet. Okay, I'll let you know about this sometime else, but yeah, I'm pretty sure you can use style sheet. Okay, so the third thing is about CDN. So we'll try Bootstrap, and it's not bot, it's Bootstrap. Okay. So document. I'll just use a get started, and I'll take the CDN. And what you need to do is you need to add it into your HTML. So which I think I already did, but I'll show you where exactly you need to plug it in. So it's right here. So yep, in the head. Okay, so we already have it, so we don't need to add it. But what we can do here is we can go into the documentation and look at the component. I'm looking for a specific component, which is a card. Okay, here it is. And I'm going to take one card out of here. I can take this one. Okay, we'll put it over here. Okay, need to get rid of one div, not one div, it's an image. Okay, and that could be, we need to change all the class name. So class name, okay, great. And there's one more thing, href. We don't really need this, but let me do one thing. Let me get rid of href. It's just a warning, so you don't need to worry about it. Okay, style, you cannot have a style like this, but you can have style in this way. Okay, this should work. All right, let's take a look. Perfect, we don't have an image, so image, let's take this one. Okay, open image in new tab. All right, src. Okay, there it is. Perfect. So we have this card, as you can see. So this is how you import, and it's gonna take all the styles from the CDN. So this is it for CSS and React. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.